room at the Sofitel in Ho Chi Minh. It's a nice size for one person. There's my king bed, a desk for me to work from, coffee machine, desk, a DVD player, a little vanity desk to do your makeup and stuff. Very big chair, decorations, and then I've got a view of Ho Chi Minh. I'm on the 17th floor. I'm not south facing, so the sun won't come in. I'm actually facing north, so the sun is behind me, but I should be able to see the sunset if I'm here when the sun sets. So that's the view from my room. They've actually upgraded me because when I arrived, the hotel's actually been refurbished. Just the reception bit, there's a little wardrobe with my dressing gown, and you know, I've already put my bag in there, my water. Yeah, basically they've upgraded me because I wasn't happy that they've refurbishing the hotel, and I didn't know, so they just upgraded me basically. Yeah, there's my walk-in shower as requested.